Gin sales were at an all-time high in 2018, and according to the guests at my bar, that trend is not slowing down. So today I'm going to be making gin and tonic 3 ways. Gotta give the people what they want. The first cocktail I'm going to be making is the cucumber mint gin and tonic. I'm gonna start with 2 cucumber slices, as well as roughly, I'd say like 5 mint leaves. And then I'm going to muddle. We're going to add 1.5 ounces of gin. We're gonna strain the cucumber and mint out of our cocktail. And top it with some tonic. Last, we're gonna garnish our cocktail with a cucumber wheel and a mint sprig. We're gonna take the cucumber, just push the mint sprig right through and put it right on top. How pretty is that? Cheers. The next cocktail we're going to be making is the St-Germain Gin Tonic. St-Germain is an elderflower liqueur, and to be honest, this is one of my favorite liqueurs. It is a floral liqueur, but it's not quite like lavender or rose. It has a sweeter taste, and it reminds me of lychee, which I love lychee. First, we're going to be adding 1.5 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of St-Germain. We're gonna shake it up. This one we're not gonna strain, we're just gonna pour it right into our glass. Top it with some tonic and garnish it with a lime wheel. And there you have it, the St-Germain Gin and Tonic. Delicious. Next up, the sweet and tangy Thirsty Blue Gin and Tonic. 1.5 ounces of gin. Next, we're going to pour 1/2 ounce of blue curacao. This is going to add a sweet orange flavor to our gin and tonic. And last, we're gonna garnish it with an orange wedge. Cheers! The best part about these cocktails is that they're super simple to make at home, and all bars will have these ingredients, so you can get this drink at happy hour. Cheers to that. No, the real best part about these cocktails is that gin is 47% alcohol. Like, hello, one and done. You know what I'm saying?